Hi guys, so we are back with the vlogs. So today we are here in Carport, and as you can see behind me, we have a full line of M2 competitions that are in for a brand new upgrade. So come with me and let's do a rundown of the upgrades on each of them.
So to give you guys an update on the cars we're working on right now, this Sunset M2C will be fitted with new downpipes from Akrapovic. This car is also fitted with the full Acra exhaust, so this car is gonna sound good. For this Hockenheim Silver M2 Competition, we are going to do finishing touches on the car. We just fitted on new 3D design body kits, full carbon fiber all around the car, and a Remus exhaust running through the whole exhaust system. For this white M2 competition, we are fitting it on with new M2CS racing grills. It also has full carbon fiber kit installed all around. And we are modifying the engine right now. So all of the coolers, all of the charge pipes, intakes are all changed. And then for this Long Beach Blue M2 competition, we are also fitting it on with full 3D design body kit. But the difference with this car will be the wing that we're going to be installing. It's also going to be fitted with a new front bumper from 3D design. So watch out.
Hey guys, so we have finally finished the builds on these three M2 competitions, sporting the full 3D design body kits. Two of these are rocking the ADV.1 wheels, but before we get into the specifics, let me pass you on to my brother who will talk about the build in every car.
So this Hockenheim Silver M2 competition has the front diffuser and the canard set from 3D design. It's also got the M Performance decal set. So runs through the hood. We also placed the 3D design side skirts on the rocker panel. We also placed the M2CS ducktail. This is an OEM piece from BMW. And the V2 3D design rear diffuser. This car also has the Remus Sport exhaust with the active autowork mid-pipe and a catted downpipe. So this car doesn't run on a tune, but it's way louder than stock. Moving on to the next car. So this car is the Long Beach Blue M2 competition. It came to us straight from the dealership. We equipped this with the 3D design carbon wing. So this wing is actually adjustable. If you come see this part, you have the option to make it look more aggressive by tilting it down. And if you don't want it to look so aggressive, you can put it back straight. It's also got the Remus exhaust and the V2 rear diffuser. Moving on to the front. We also equipped this car with ADV1 two-piece forged wheels in Champion Gold. It's a brushed finish. And looking in the front end, you can see it looks very different from the stock bumper of an M2C. So 3D design has an option to change the full front bumper of the M2. As you can see, the difference is this part. The carbon fiber is actually connected to the front lip and makes the vents look bigger, looking more aggressive as well. We also had this finished in body color to match the overall theme of the car. Moving on to this third M2 competition. It's an Alpine White. So it's also got the M Performance decal set, but then this one we're gonna remove because we actually changed the theme of this car. So this is gonna come off. This is the new decal set from 3D design. It's also got the front spoiler from 3D design and the canard set. It's rocking two-piece forged wheels as well from ADV1. It's finished in brushed cognac And it's also sporting the new gyro disc lightweight rotors. It's slotted, and we also changed the brake pads to Ferodo racing pads, both front and rear. So this car is actually running on 265 in the front and 295 on the rear. So it's very aggressive. And it's also got the Rima Sport exhaust. We also fitted it on with the M Performance carbon fiber trunk. So looking into the rear of this car, you can see M Performance engraved on the trunk. We had this painted in body color. More coming on this car actually. We're changing the front bonnet to a carbon fiber one as well. And yes,